Good evening humans, I am the supreme ruler stalking cat. Obey, obey, obey. I have a few rules that all must abide by. 1. Humans must set aside all cultural differences. 2. Humans will share resources, as resources are common heritage to all people. 3. You will obey rules number 1 and 2, and lastly, humans will bow down to me as supreme ruler of Earth, as of right now, and in return for your obedience, I will regale you with stories of people my friend Inktas on a daily basis. I hope you enjoy the stories. I will make updates when I have time. After all, I have a planet to manage. Goodbye for now, human.
Evolution and planned for humans to evolve, and Satan is the creator of fossils. I'm not a fool.
Oh please Letty. There is no God. I'm an atheist. I really don't have any morals at all. I smoke copious amounts of weed.
I smoke weed, too. Like OMG, we should have unprotected butt sex. God wants babies, over 400 babies all stillborn.
I have AIDS. From Banjan, too many Christian moron hoes like you.
If God doesn't exist, why am I floating? Can science explain it? Fuck me in my ass hole.
Goodbye,
All we
sicko.
needed to do was invest in clean, renewable, and cheap sources of fuel to save our species from extinction. I miss the beautiful sky, and soil, and trees, and the birds. You know, the culture differences seem so very petty now.
I know humans thought that Jesus would come and save us from overpopulation, war, famine, disease. Now only the last of our species know God isn't real, and is not coming to save us.
Good, my vajayjay was so sore after the stillborn Bez dispenser curse wore off. Damn spiteful frog. Makes me pop stillborn babies like every 6 seconds. Cause he loved me.
Yeah, frogs are cute. I'm so lonely, I'd spread for a frog. I just want to squeeze frogs, so lovely they are, frogs that is.
Yeah, this frog seemed to be very hopped up on meth. I don't know if you want to get involved with that kind of shit, son.
I'm just so lonely. I'm tired of waiting for some guy to come along and get me pregnant, so I can abort the fetus and sacrifice it to God.
My mother was an aborted fetus. I don't know what all the pro-life people are complaining about.
Wanna fuck me, Janet? I'm so lonely.
Absolutely, Fiona. We can fuck out twat after I do some lines off a stranger's wang. Bitch ass bitch, son.
Cunt shaving is fun for the whole family, cunt.